Okay, 4.3. We're going to substitute positive 1, negative 1, negative 2 into our equations. This first one, we're going to substitute positive 1, should I say. So this is going to be y equals, and I'm going to replace all the x's with parentheses. So negative 2 parentheses to the second power minus 3 parentheses, then minus 4. Then I'm going to rewrite the problem, and I'm going to substitute the 1 into all the parentheses. So 1 goes here, 1 goes here. Next, we'll do expansion. So this will become negative 2 parentheses, parentheses, 1, 1, minus 3, and 1, and then minus 4. Okay, now multiplication. 2 times 1 times 1, that's going to be 2. And we're multiplying with a total of 1 negative, so this will be a negative 2. Here we have 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And we're multiplying with a total of 1 negative, so that'll be negative. And then we bring down our negative 4. So same signs add, so all these are negative, so they'll all add together. And we're going to get a 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4 plus 9. And it'll be negative, bigger sign is 9. Okay. Next, we have y equals, this time x is negative 1, so this will be negative 2, and all the x's turn into parentheses. And we're going to rewrite the problem here. And we'll put in negative 1 for all the x's, substitution. Next, we have y equals, we're going to do expansion, negative 2, with the negative 1 here, negative 1 there, the minus 3, the minus 1, that's a bad looking minus 1. Okay, now I've done my expansion, I can now multiply. So multiplying these, 2 times 1 is 2. I have 3 negatives, so that'll be negative 2. Next is 3 times 1, that's 3. But I have 2 negatives right here, 2 negatives, which is positive. And then I'll pull down my negative 4. Now, same signs add, so the negative 2 and negative 4 will add to a negative 6, plus 3. Different signs subtract, so 6 take away 3 is 3, and the bigger sign wins, which is a negative here, so that's the negative 3. Next, we have x is negative 2, so we start off with y. The negative, instead of the x, we'll have parentheses, squared, plus, parentheses, minus 10. Now, let's actually put the numbers into the parentheses. Negative 2 and negative 2. Okay, now it's time for expansion. Expansion, we'll get negative, and then our negative 2 here, and our negative 2 there, then plus the negative 2 there, and then minus 10. All right, time for some multiplication. The multiplication we have here is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. How many negatives do we have we're multiplying by? 1, 2, 3 negatives. 3 negatives means negative. Next, we just have a 2 here with 1 negative. 1 negative means negative. Okay, and then minus 10 there. So same signs do add. So we're going to add these 6 plus 10, that would be 16, and be negative 16.